G'day DIYers, it's Chriso. It's Friday morning. I've been all week on this bathroom and I'll just about have it tiled this afternoon by the time I go home. I need to go around the top there, tile that, tile the front of the bath, and a few little cuts and that sort of thing around the doorways, and we're laughing. I'll do the niche. I'm going to bring up the floor tile into here, which I'll centre it all so it all looks even and nice and lovely. So, but I reckon with the shutters, it full on makes a bathroom. Anyway, we'll see you soon. I'll give you an update on my progress shortly. See ya.